Hello and welcome. In this segment, we're going to learn about importing in third-party roof measurements into Simsol. Importing in these measurements will save you so much time by not having to import in all of the squares of your roofing estimate or having to draw out a diagram for them. So let's get started. For this example, we'll be importing in an EagleView packet. The methods for either EagleView or SkyMeasure are identical, so if you have a SkyMeasure measurement, feel free to follow along. When you receive a packet from the company of your choosing, it will contain an XML document. This XML document is what we will import directly into Simsol to provide the measurements and the number of squares for the roof. You will also receive a PDF document that has aerial photographs, the measurements, and the diagrams of which you can include in your Simsol estimate printout. So now that we have these documents downloaded onto our computer, we'll open up our claim in Simsol. We'll head to our scope of damage, and then select the option for a roof. In this window, you'll see an option for third-party import. Select this, then select the appropriate company. Seeing as my packet is from EagleView, I'll select this. After selecting, I'll need to browse my computer for the XML file EagleView sent me. I'll select it, and I'll hit Open. You'll see all of my roofing measurements will populate in this screen. Before hitting anything else, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate waste factor added. You can either use a preset option or enter in a user-defined amount. I can now select Done to return and add more dimensions to this estimate, or I can select Scope to start adding in my line items. For now, I'm going to select Done so I can attach the EagleView PDF so that I can show the aerial photos and diagrams for this estimate. To do this, I'll select the Attachments button here at the top. Select Attach Document, and then locate the PDF EagleView has sent me. I can then view it here to double check everything, and as you can see, all the diagrams, aerial photos, and everything looks great. Easy as that, my roofing dimensions and diagrams are done. I can now start scoping the damage. This concludes our walkthrough of importing in a third-party aerial roof measurement packet into Simsol. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other helpful videos and subscribe so you're notified when new ones are released.